Hey student out there, let's start the class with a new rhythm, with a new topic, that is triage system, which is necessary for not only the medical personnel, it is necessary for common people also. Suppose that you passes the road and suddenly a road traffic accident occurs. It is an emergency condition, it is a disaster condition, but in this condition no medical personnel is present there. So as a human being, we need to give care to them and rescue them from this condition. But in this condition, we are getting so much confused because at the same time so many injured persons are there, but no resources is there. So for whom we give the care first, we are getting confused. To overcome this confusion, this triage system is coming. According to this triage system, we can categorize this injured person into 4 categories and give them different color coding. By this color coding, we help them and rescue them one by one. So, what is mean by triage? Triage means actually to sort out, to categorize the patient into 4 different categories. And one word is related to this triage system, that is START, means simple triage and rapid treatment. So let's start about these 4 categories. There is mainly 4 categories. First one is the emergent patient or emergent person, and the red color is indicate for them. And the second one is the yellow color, and these patients are known as urgent. And the third one is the normal patient or non-urgent or ambulatory patient. For them we can use the green color coding. And the last one is the death. For them we can use the black color coding. In the first category, they need immediate treatment, means we help them first and rescue them first. If we give the treatment as soon as possible, we can save their life without wastage of time. And in the second category, after the critically ill patient, we can give help them the urgent patient. This is the yellow color coding. And after that, the green color coding. In this category, mainly the normal people are coming. They can ambulate by their own self, they can help their own self. So we can delay for giving treatment for them. And the last one is the death category. This category is denoted by the black color, and actually the death is certain for them, means those persons are expected to die. That's why if we given the care or given the treatment as soon as possible, also we can't help them, we can't rescue them, we can't save their life. The death is certain for them. So if we given care them first, we wastes our time. So by this classification, we classified our patient or the injured person into 4 categories. After that, the rescue process also easy for us, and we can rescue the persons one by one category. So this is all regarding the triage system. So I hope you all understood about today's topic. See you soon in the later classes. Stay connected with us. Thank you.